A sound source emits a note of constant frequency. An observer is traveling in a straight line towards the source at a constant speed. As she approaches the source, she will hear the sound Z. This question is about the Doppler effect, and let's review what it is. And there is a source which emits a sound wave with some frequency. Let it be F0 source, and the observer is moving from left to right with some speed. It's the observer, and if there is relative motion to each other between source and observer, it may be that the observer only is moving, or the source only is moving, or both are moving. So if there is relative approaching between the observer and the source, and it's very important, if the speed of relative motion to each other is constant, then the observed frequency will be larger but constant. So if there is some F0, it's a frequency emitted by the source, or it will be the frequency which will be observed when they are stationary. So when observer is moving to the source, the observed frequency will be larger, distance larger, but the same constant. And when the observer will be at the source, it changes rapidly, so that when the observer is moving away from the source, frequency also will be constant but smaller than F0. Constant because constant speed of relative motion. So here gets high and high, it means that a frequency is increasing, or gets low and low, it means that frequency is decreasing. It's not true, because since the relative motion is at constant speed, so frequency will be constant, and since they are moving, there is relative motion to each other, frequency will be larger. So the correct answer is C. As she approaches the source, she will hear the sound that is of constant frequency, but of a frequency higher than that of the sound from the source. And that's all for this question.